In this video, we're going to learn more about the Format tab. The Format tab is here on the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see that I have a template and all of my pictures placed and cropped. Depending on which element you select, we'll start with this photo, the Format tab will light up with all the different options available to you. It's okay that you don't know what these mean. Hover your mouse and Yearbook Avenue will tell you what it means. Important ones involve arrangement. For example, this shape is over this picture and we want to take this picture and bring it in front of the shape. The arrangement icons will do that. Hovering my mouse, I see bring to front. When I push it, now my photo is in front of that shape. Flip rotate is great if you have an image that gets uploaded upside down or backwards. You can crop here from the Format tab and also take this image and make it the background of your page. It will automatically lay it behind all of your existing elements. Clicking on my text box, I can highlight these words and type in my headline. If I want to change something about this text box, that's where the Format tab comes into play. Here I can see the same options that were visible to me for that image, but now I have more options that are specific to text. I can change the font, I can change the size, and I can change the color. Again, hovering my mouse, I see it says text color. So I know that's going to give me the indication to change that color. Clicking on a shape like this purple box, I am able to change the fill color of that shape. I can mess around with the arrangement of it, bringing it to the front, or I can even set it to be the background color of my pages. That is formatting. When I click on this image and look up at the top, there are also effects options available to all the elements inside Yearbook Avenue. Clicking on effects, I can remove red eye, cut out background, or use selective color. The coolest one is Adobe Aviary inside Jostens. This will pull up a separate dialog box for you to be able to edit this photo in all sorts of different ways. I can also colorize my image, which will overlay a certain color. I can make it black and white or sepia tone. Here's where you can adjust your drop shadow options, increasing the distance or opacity. A glow is different from a drop shadow. It is not just the corners, it will encompass the entire image. If I select that text box, I have effects for that option as well. I can apply a drop shadow to my text box. I can apply a glow to my text box. Playing with the blur, opacity, and strength of a glow will give you the effect of a stroke around your text box. Selecting my shape, coming back to formatting, I'm going to unmake that a background. Those same effects that apply to your images and your text boxes apply to shapes. The biggest thing you need to remember about the Format tab is this is where all changes happen to the existing elements on your spread.